Now that we've been interrupted for the 18,000th time. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and today we're doing a challenge. This is the challenge that has been popular going around right now, which is the use every single color in your eyeshadow palette challenge. I thought about using the 3502, okay? But I thought that would be too easy because all those colors go together. I mean, even though there's a lot of them, I felt like they went together too much. So I was trying to think of palettes that I have that don't have like an obnoxious amount or too little of an amount. So I went for like, okay, so somewhere between like the 8 to 15. I don't even know if I have a palette that has 15 shades in it, but somewhere between that. And then I remember that I just got a new palette and I was like, what better way to try out a palette than to test it out in a challenge? So we used this one, which is why I look like a tropical bird. Okay, really though, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. For as like all the colors that are in here, I don't feel like it turned out that bad. Like, I feel like it's actually kind of nice. Like, if I was going to like an EDM event or something, we're good to go. I don't like the lips, but that's life. Okay guys, so if you want to see how I made this look, or if you want to see me like almost die trying to figure out how to do this, keep on watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more in the future, go ahead and hit that subscribe button up top. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified of when I upload. Otherwise, you won't see every time. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And sometimes there's bonus videos coming. I'm really bad at winking. My niece is like really good at it. Okay. So I didn't want to make this video too hard, but I didn't want it to be too easy. So I chose a palette that has 9 shades. And it's this one. Let's just open this up so that you can see what we're about to get ourselves into, because I have a feeling it's gonna go really, really bad. There it goes. So there's lots of mattes and lots of not mattes. We're just gonna go for it. I don't even know where I'm gonna start. I think we're gonna start with the yellow shade that's in the middle, and we're gonna start putting it in the crease towards the inner corner. I feel like I'm gonna look like Toucan. I feel like I'm gonna look like Toucan. I'm not gonna look like a peacock because peacocks have the most beautiful color scheme on the entire planet. So we're gonna take the orange shade, this shade, and we're gonna put this, oh my god, this neon. I really want to try to make this like actually look good. I've never used this palette before. I mean, so far the shadows are really pigmented, and I'm just gonna take it all the way out. Okay, it's not that bad yet though. We're not gonna make it look bad, okay? I need to stop being negative. It's gonna be fine. I hope. I think next I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm going to put that out here. That is so pigmented. So far, I'm really happy. There's no fallout. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but I already have the rest of my face done. I was doing a brow tutorial before this. Oh shit, fuck. That's the wrong color. It's weird because like at first when you put this on your lid, it's like it's not putting anything, and then all of a sudden it just puts it all in one spot. So I'm going to take a flat brush. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. The pink one. And we're just going to bring that right here. Do the same thing on this side. And then I'm just going to take a small blending brush. Once I get it clean. I have a clean brush. This isn't that bad yet. Maybe it'll look kind of cool with lashes. And just kind of blending everything together. I'm going to take this shade right here and put this in the center of my lid. And I'm going to use that same brush that I used with the pink shade. I'm going to go back into that pink shade that we used before and just darken this. When I blended it, it kind of lost some of its oomph. And then I'm going to take that same brush that I was using at the beginning, this guy right here, and we're going to go in and just blend the crap out of this. And add some more of this purple. So what I just learned is that if you get any sort of splotchiness at all, just go in with your finger. Okay. And then we're going to take this color right here, this one, and a pencil brush like so. And we're going to pick up just hopefully what turns out to be a little bit. I'm really just trying to lightly smoke this out on the lower lash line, while also trying desperately to avoid looking like a raccoon. I think I'm going to take some of that corally shade and try to like blend this out a little bit, if that makes sense. Well, that made a very interesting shade. It's like almost purpley. My under eyes just look crazy. And we're just really trying to work this, you know, into the corner. I mean, on the bright side, like, this palette blends super nice. We have 3 more shades left. We can do this. We can do it. So I'm going to take an even smaller pencil brush and we're going to start with, actually we're going to start with this shade. I'm going to get my brush wet and pick some of that up. And let's take it on the inner corner. That is so pretty. You know, like, honestly, for having like a peacock palette, this isn't that bad. I personally feel like it could be going a lot worse. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is not that bad. And then I'm going to pick up this blue right here. This one. I don't know if you can really see it applying, but it is like a really pretty, like almost indigo blue. Then I'm going to take the last color, which is the purple, and guess where we're going to put it? Right here. Good job. Bam. Did we just do it? It's not that bad either. Like, it's crazy, obviously. I wouldn't go out in public looking like this unless I was going to, like, Walmart. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't go like this to Walmart. Am I? Just clarify. Now I'm gonna grab a liner. It's the Makeup Forever Professional. It doesn't tell me the color, so it is I-24, right? This is just their longwear pencil. And it's upside down. The Aqua XL, that's what it's called. Focus. And we're gonna run this on our lower lash line. Sorry guys, I gotta look down. I promise you it is way too hard to talk and do liner at the same time. Like, it's just not a possibility. Okay, I need to highlight what am I doing with my life. Okay, so I'm gonna take the Kristen Leanne Urban Decay highlighting palette and I'm gonna take the lightest shade. So I'm taking the lightest shade in the middle there. Boom. And focus on my face. We're just gonna run that on the inner corner under here. I really didn't think I was gonna get this, and then I had a gift card and I went and swatched it, and I was like, I have to get this. The last Urban Decay highlighter that I invested in, I just didn't like, and I feel like if I try something that I don't like, I just stray away from that item from a certain brand, like from whatever brand that I didn't like it from. And so I haven't tried a highlighter from them for, I don't even know, it's been a really long time. Okay, so I'm gonna do my liner and lashes, and then I will be back and we'll finish up the lips, and this challenge will be over. I really hope that the lashes pull this together. So this is my finished look, and I'm honestly like, I'm not too mad about it at all. Sorry, I'm just looking over in the mirror. This is what we came up with. It's just this really pretty, like, I don't know. I don't know if this is what I would typically go for when I see that palette, but I thought it was like really fun to mess around and try to use every shade from a palette, and I think that that was a really good choice for a palette to use. Despite the fact that I thought it was going to be really challenging, it honestly wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Does that make sense? Like, I thought it was going to be a lot worse than it was. If you're wondering, these lashes are by Lash Pop, and I'm not sure which ones they are, but they're by Lash Pop. I got these ones, and then the ones that I have on now, and actually I really like them. They have a really thick band, but they were like really easy to put on, but they're not too heavy. Does that make sense? I don't know. If you're wondering what lip I'm wearing, I have the Huda Beauty. These are the new liquid lipsticks that she came out in Fair Honey, and then I have a Kat Von D liquid lipstick on in Melancholia, and it came out to like this really pretty, like, soft nude pink color. I honestly think that I should have just done like liner and gloss, but you know what? You can't have everything you want in life. I'm gonna throw on some of this, This Is Everything. I have a feeling that that was a really bad idea. It's too late now. We can't go back. Oh, also I added some of the liquid crystal liner by NYX in Crystal Aqua. Wow, they're so original with all these colors. Crystal Silver, Crystal Onyx, Crystal Aqua. I bet the pink one's called Crystal Fuchsia. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you want to see more things like this in the future, please let me know. Or if you have any other challenges that you would like me to do, just leave a comment down below, because I really do have fun. Like, this gets me out of my box, and I like that. I like not doing the same thing every time. And then lastly, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell up top if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Mwah!